Looking for the #1 almond found in stores? Meet the Nonpareil almond, the gold standard in California almond production. This upright, spreading tree grows 15 to 30 feet tall and thrives in full sun, part shade, or filtered light. In Phoenix, it does best on the north side or in the coldest part of your yard with well-draining soil. It's a deciduous tree that produces heavy crops of medium to large almonds with a flat shape and a paper-thin shell. The flavor is sweet and excellent, exactly what you expect from a top-shelf almond. Nonpareil requires about 400 chill hours and is hardy to 20 degrees. Harvest season runs from August through September. It's not self-fertile, so plant it with a pollinizer like Aldrich, All-in-One, Carmel, Folsom, Fritz, Texas Mission, Monterey, Nay Plus Ultra, or Price for best results. Get your Nonpareil almond tree at Richard's Garden Center in North Phoenix, or call 623-434-6922. Let's grow something amazing and edible.